Hey gang, Poppy here. I presume this thing is recording because it hasn't complained that it's not. I got the green little fox. What time is it, gang? Here at Poppy's workshop, it's way after time I should have posted a video. I haven't been uploading content for a while. Winter came and I got sick and summer was a real pain in the butt. Did another winter happen? And I just got lazy and sick and old and broken up and everything hurts. Anyway,
Mom, dinner's ready.
but anyway, I'm going to eat dinner and I will get back to you. Yes, I will. Right now, it'd be great for me to be Gene Simmons. How many legs it got? What? Hey, this is Cool Whip. It's bad for the dog. Now, if it was ice cream, that'd be a different story. And I am a responsible human who has smaller, less intelligent creatures living in my home. And I don't mean to. No, I mean the dog No, I wouldn't feed the dog something poisonous. I wouldn't even feed the dog a great big Hershey's Special Dark. You know, that great big chocolate bar? I wouldn't feed one of them to a dog. And don't do it. It's horrible. No, 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 no. Okay. Ah, okay. About the lapidary. I'm waiting for some rocks. Hey man, I'm just waiting to get my rocks, man. Anyway, then I will go into set up. I have to reset up my lapidary unit, rehang the drip, uh, fill the drip bottle, find something to run the outflow into. Start testing some new labs. Of course, I have to give them a break-in rub. Uh, if I recall, I got some lapis out there. That's rough. That'd be a good stone for breaking in a lap. I think I'll start at. When I do cut them, I think I will be using starting around the 400 lap, 600, maybe to 1,000. Then it's do the sanding and polishing on leather, 6-inch door skin with applied leather and slurry, crystallite, crystallite diamond slurry. They sold it for use on copper, tin, lead, uh, lucite, even some of the you know more esoteric lab materials like ceramic. Yeah, they even you know said, yeah, you can use it on cast iron laps, but the rule is your lap material, if you're using a loose abrasive, needs to be softer than the thing you're lapping, so that the abrasive can get worked into the surface of the lap. This tumbling around loosely gives you a nice frosted surface. It takes a lot longer to get out, and then a nice Blanchard scallop going across the part. Much easier to get rid of that. You just turn 90 degrees on the next grit, 90 degrees on the next grit, 90 degrees on the next grit, and pretty soon that Blanchard striping is so. Then you should start the, what's the word, random orbit by hand. Of course, usually when I'm planning, I get back of a stone to 1,000. That's smooth enough. That's going to be in the setting. Anyway, we'll be showing you that. Anyone out there have opal rough? After they see me cutting some stuff, they want me to cut it for them? I imagine that might be possible. Dealers, mine owners, look at my video cutting opal and say, hey, I got nicer stuff. How about I send you a piece? Sure. Anyway, I was going to go for now. Good night from California.